judiciary khatre mein hai, and ironically, this is from those who do not forget to wave a copy of the constitution at every given opportunity. This is not a political statement. There are fears being voiced by former Supreme Court judges and the former High Court judges. A total of 56 judges have concluded that the move to impeach Justice G.R. Swaminathan in Tamil Nadu is nothing short of a brazen attempt. They say that this is not a dissent or a critique, but weaponization of the impeachment process to punish a judge. Now, just because he refused to bend to toe a particular political line. Now, in a political overreach, the judges see a pattern. They say that they should be, in fact, reminded the nation of the darkest hours, and that is of the emergency era. They're citing the suppression of the three senior-most judges of the Supreme Court and the sidelining of Justice H.R. Khanna after giving verdicts against Indira Gandhi government to make their case. Now, the crux of their open letter is this: political overreach has harmed the judiciary before, and India must not repeat that mistake once again.
To use impeachment proceedings as a pressure tactics on the judges, and to pressurize not only one judge, but it is in fact a message to entire judiciary that if you do not fall in line, if you do not give judgments according to our wishes, this is to what extent we can go.
MPs are expecting the learned judge to function in the same manner as they do. If it doesn't function like that, this is what we have to do. This is nothing but hoodwinking and threatening, and it is very, very detrimental to the very concept of judiciary. It is unheard of.
Now, what is scary is that my way or highway pattern is not new. We saw this happening with former Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, after he gave the Ram Mandir verdict. We also saw it playing out when Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud invited Prime Minister Modi for a simple Ganesh Puja. Now, we see it now. We've been seeing it before as well, but right now it is with the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant. He was branded as TRP hungry merely for questioning why India should roll out a red carpet for the illegal entrance. Now, this is as far as the war of words is concerned. Have a look.
Judges should not be ideologically oriented. They should respect the Constitution of India. Mr. Amit Shah in the discussion also was telling about it that RSS, there is no ban in RSS men being the judges. The judge should uphold Constitution, not any ideological positions.
Not only we saying, entire country has seeing it and saying it. So there is you could see that there is things has been orchestrated slowly. There is a judgment, there is a tension, and there is a Home Minister making a statement, provocative statement, and now other BJP MPs are supporting this. So we could see like entire ecosystem is walking in a very orchestrated way.
हर संस्था का अपना अधिकार क्षेत्र है, वो उनका अधिकार क्षेत्र है, ये हमारा अधिकार क्षेत्र है. अभी आपने देखा impeachment motion पढ़िए, उसके अंदर सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है.
And now the fires lit over Deepam controversy in Tamil Nadu has triggered a nationwide political blowback. The controversy even echoed in the Lok Sabha, where the BJP MP Anurag Thakur accused the DMK government in Tamil Nadu of reducing Hindus to second-class citizens in the state. He dismissed that both Hindu and sentiments and court verdicts with brazen contempt is a charge that is coming from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listen in.
One state in India has become a symbol of anti-Sanatan Dharma. Their ministers are making statements. Against Sanatan Dharma. Hindus are lathi charged. Despite the court order, they are not allowed. Despite the court order, they are not allowed to light the lamps.
And now joining the DMK in the anti-Sanatan, anti-judge crusade are the parties with zero stakes in the state of Tamil Nadu. But the biggest shocker comes from Uddhav Thakere's Shiv Sena, a signatory to the impeachment move against Justice Swaminathan, which has now fired another political missile through Samna, which is in fact an editorial. In this editorial, they have accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of capturing the judiciary, claiming that judicial appointments are being manipulated. RSS BJP faces place in the High Courts, and that the judges are pressured from the top, eroding trust in the justice itself. Samna doesn't stop there. It calls for the impeachment of the 25% of India's judges, branding Justice Swaminathan Hindutvavad, labels courtrooms as communal, and paints the entire judiciary as the RSS puppet. Now, it even says that Deepam Rao was a manufactured controversy pushed into court to secure a friendly ruling and weaponize it for the electoral polarization in the state of Tamil Nadu. So what explains this dramatic U-turn from a party that once took pride in the Ram Mandir movement? Now, this is in fact just the exact modus operandi that 56 judges are warning about.
तो सिर्फ मुस्लिम वोटों को अपीज करने के लिए, उसको खुश करने के लिए उबाठा के सांसद ने और उबाठा ने एंटी हिंदू स्टैंड लिया है। दिया मंदिर में नहीं जलेगा तो क्या कब्रिस्तान में जलेगा? अब एक बार घोषणा कर दीजिए कि बाला साहब के हिंदुत्व से आपने नाता तोड़ दिया है, अब आप जिहादियों के साथ खड़े हैं।
And now contrast this with what the Bharatiya Janata Party has been doing. Courts have dealt the BJP some of the biggest setbacks in the last few years, from striking down the electoral bond scheme to slamming bulldozer action as well. Yet the ruling party has never responded with defiance or impeachment threats. When faced with adverse verdict, the Bharatiya Janata Party either appeals through the legal process or accepts the ruling. It does not attack the judge or questions the institution or launch a political crusade against the judiciary. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Dharani, who's been tracking all the details. Dharani, we're learning that DMK is seeking impeachment of the judge as far as Madras High Court is concerned. But what is more concerning here, and this is what the Bharatiya Janata Party is in fact saying, that what is the role of other parties who have signed as far as this impeachment motion is concerned, that they have no role to play as far as the state of Tamil Nadu is concerned. Take us through the reactions coming in from Tamil Nadu.
Well, definitely, if you look at the impeachment motion, apart from the DMK MPs, the Samajwadi Party MPs, Congress MPs, and Vidugala Charitakal Kachi, MDMK, these are some of the other India Bloc partners who have signed this impeachment motion against Justice G.R. Swaminathan. And of course, when this motion was being submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also accompanied DMK MPs while doing so. Definitely, it also created a lot of discussion at that point in time a couple of days back, and now the DMK is just awaiting action. They want the speaker to form a committee to inquire into this impeachment motion. The allegation is mentioned in the impeachment motion. They are just waiting for that action to happen. Now, as far as politics is concerned, as you rightly said, yesterday we saw what BJP MP Anurag Thakur has to say. He says that despite multiple court orders from Justice G.R. Swaminathan, the state government of Tamil Nadu did not allow the devotees to climb atop the Tirupparangunram hills and light the holy lamp on the Deepam. So, a contempt of a court has happened not once but thrice, and there is an active group that is working against Sanatana Dharma in Tamil Nadu, is what BJP MP Anurag Thakur has to say. But the DMK MPs in the Parliament Hall, they are vehemently opposing the statement from Mr. Anurag Thakur. In fact, they say that if this holy lamp is allowed to be lit on the Deepatun, which is located a few meters away from a dargah, then it might lead to communal tensions. And Tamil Nadu is a state that is known for harmony, and no kind of communal tension can be allowed in the state, and that is why the government is blocking this from happening, is what they say from the government side as justification. The war of words continue, but meanwhile, of course, the impeachment motion is also stable at the moment, so we have to wait and see when this inquiry committee is going to be formed based on this motion.
All right, so all eyes will be on the formation of the inquiry committee. Thanks so much, Dharani, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.